Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my everyday long lasting makeup look. This right here, it's prescribed by me by my dermatologist. It's very good for my PCOS acne. I'm sorry. Also in the future I will do a video on how I clear up a little bit my PCOS acne. This video coming soon. So we're gonna focus today on how I get my makeup done and to last me for the whole day. Now in very summer humid day, I like to use the BECCA primer because it's a very good primer, and I usually use two primers. I'm gonna use the BECCA and the NYX pore filler. Oh my god, this is so good for pores and fine lines. I think I'm getting all in my pores and my fine lines and showing a little bit, so this is so good. It just okay. For my next step, guys, I'm using the KRYOLAN powder. This is one of my favorite setting powder at the moment. You can use any that you like, but this is what I like for now. And I tend to switch it up to lower mercy or this one. So I have a couple of foundations that I like, okay, for my oily skin. This one, the Estee Lauder, the Fenty Beauty, the Maybelline foundation. Those three are my favorite, and the MAC one. I didn't show it in this video, I'm sorry about that, but the MAC also. I think MAC Prolong Wear foundation is very good for oily skin. Now, when it's come to oily skin, just the foundation alone not gonna do the trick. You need to do other things like prep your skin, exfoliate, and use pores, primers, a lot of stuff that you need to do so the foundation can look good. Just the foundation alone not gonna give you that matte face look you're looking for. Okay, now I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation for this video, and the color of this will be below. And after using foundation, like you can see, I didn't use like a sponge, I used like a brush because I needed like a full coverage. After that, I will use my favorite concealer, the LA Girl, to basically highlight under my eyes. And I'll also use the MAC pencil for highlighting. Okay, in this video it's not about auto highlight and contour. I might not really show you in detail or like. And also I use everything that's matte for my face because I have very oily skin, very oily skin. Now I'm using this Fenty Beauty stick contour stick thing by Fenty Beauty. Now I really love this one because it's so matte, but you have to blend very fast. While using matte product for oily skin can be a very good thing because you get the result that you want, but also you gotta remember it can look so bad. You gotta blend very fast. Do not let it dry. Try to blend it before it dry. So I'm gonna use the Lower Mercier setting powder now to set my concealer, and I also set my foundation with this after I contour everything. I use a beauty sponge for that. Now do not let this sponge be too wet. It's gotta be close to dry but not really dry, so it can give you that nice finish look, I will say. Now I also use the SASHA cosmetic yellow powder just because I wanted some color. I feel like sometimes the Lower Mercier might make me look a little bit white, or I don't know. I like to mix them sometimes, or sometimes not to. It all depends on my mood. So I'm gonna put more SASHA powder on my face, mostly on my chin, just basically to help me with my contouring. When you do that, it really gives your face some nice definition at the end. I'm not sure why, but it does. So I like doing it. I'm gonna do my lips off camera and come back. To finish the look, we're gonna use MAC powder in a deep dark color as a bronzer. I really love this powder as a bronzer. And after that, we're gonna just make sure we blend and also use it as a nose contouring, which is perfect for it. Also, I'm gonna use the LA Poor Girl matte powder also because I have very chubby face, and I feel like the more I contour, the better my face look like. Okay guys, the next step is very important. I choose to use the KRYOLAN setting spray because I've been trying it lately and I kind of like it. I will say it's not perfect, but it does make your makeup last a little bit longer and also help with the last trick I will show you at the end. It does help with that. It just help the makeup stay in place for a long time. Okay, a long period of time, I will say that. Because as a bartender, when you do your makeup, you don't have time to go to the bathroom every second to touch up your face. You do not have time. Okay, so I will say you always need your makeup to, you know, stay in place. Now, before the spray dry completely, I will go back to the KRYOLAN powder and use it again on my T-zone. So basically, I get, you know, and also my fine lines, my smile lines, I will say. I don't mind them, but of course I don't want to look like a doll, but I definitely want my makeup to last longer and stay in place, you know what I mean? So, and if you want a little bit of shine, I will go back to for e.l.f. Primer just to add a little bit of shine, and I will not let it touch my pores or my T-zone because I know that's where I get most oily. Okay, so we're done with this look, guys, and that was it for this video. Oh, before you go, also now when you do makeup to last longer, and when you have oily skin, remember there's no product, okay, in this world that gonna keep you completely matte for like 12 hours. And if you find a product like this, you should stay away from it. It's not good for your skin. The fact that you have oil on your face is a good thing for you, but now you can help it and not look like a grease monkey on a daily basis. That's what I choose to do now. The best thing that works for me, the best than any other product in the cheapest way ever, is to use a napkin, okay? Like every 4 to 5 hours. That's your best friend. When you have oily face, a napkin will be your best friend. It's cheap options. I'm not trying no other expensive thing, but this way is the best way out there. If you apply your makeup the right way, you will be good. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Like always, I love you so much.